2025 BMW X7. Luxury beast or waste of money? BMW just dropped a $100,000 beast that drives itself and has massage seats. The 2025 X7 might be the most insane luxury SUV ever built, or the biggest waste of money. Let's find out. The flagship BMW X7 just got a major refresh for 2025, bringing cutting-edge tech and controversial design choices. Today, we're breaking down everything new, what actually works, and whether you should consider this six-figure family hauler over its rivals. Exterior design. BMW's design language continues to evolve with the 2025 X7, featuring a slightly toned-down version of their massive kidney grille, now with illuminated outlines that create a stunning nighttime signature. The split headlight design remains, with ultra-slim LED daytime running lights positioned above the main lighting units. For 2025, BMW has introduced new paint options, including sparkling copper metallic and Brooklyn gray. The side profile maintains its commanding presence with a generous 122.2-inch wheelbase, while redesigned 21-inch wheels come standard, with options up to massive 23-inch alloys on M60i models. The rear fascia features slimmer taillights connected by an elegant light bar, giving the vehicle a wider stance. BMW has also redesigned the exhaust outlets, integrating them more seamlessly into the rear bumper for a cleaner look. What's truly impressive is how BMW has managed to make this 203.3-inch Leviathan look graceful. The subtle character line running from the front fenders to the taillights creates visual tension, while the floating roof design with blacked-out pillars gives it a sportier appearance than its dimensions would suggest. New functional elements include active air flaps behind the kidney grilles that open only when cooling is needed, improving aerodynamics. The power-folding side mirrors now incorporate puddle lights projecting the BMW logo, while the hands-free power tailgate can be activated by a simple foot motion under the rear bumper. At night, the X7 transforms with its welcome light carpet and illuminated grille, creating a theatrical arrival experience that luxury buyers crave. It's not subtle, but it's undeniably impressive. Interior luxury. Inside is where the X7 truly justifies its price tag. The curved display dominates the dashboard, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch touchscreen. New for 2025 is the optional luxury crystal package that replaces standard controls with precision-cut glass elements. The first and second rows offer exceptional comfort with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats available. The new Comfort Plus seating introduces active cushioning technology that subtly adjusts seat contours during long drives to prevent fatigue. Choose between 7-seat configuration with a second-row bench or 6 seats with captain's chairs. Even third-row passengers get dedicated climate controls, USB-C ports, and surprisingly decent legroom for adults under 6 feet. Ambient lighting now includes 15,000 color combinations with the Sky Lounge LED system integrated into the panoramic roof. Interior materials feature genuine leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum trim, with virtually no hard plastics anywhere passengers might touch. Technology. The 2025 X7 runs on BMW's latest iDrive 9.0 system, which drops the rotary controller for a more touchscreen-focused interface. Voice commands now handle over 90% of vehicle functions through the improved intelligent personal assistant. What's groundbreaking is the new AI co-pilot system that studies your driving habits, routes, and preferences, then begins anticipating your needs, adjusting temperature, suggesting detours, and cueing entertainment based on conditions. The augmented reality navigation system projects directional arrows onto a live camera feed of the road ahead, making complex intersections easier to navigate. The Highway Assistant allows hands-free operation on mapped highways at speeds up to 85 miles per hour with smooth lane-changing capabilities. The new Remote Park Pro feature lets you exit the vehicle and park it using just your smartphone. The system can memorize up to 10 different parking maneuvers and reproduce them automatically. BMW has also integrated wellness features for 2025. The caring car function combines climate control, ambient lighting, fragrance dispenser, and audio to create mood-enhancing environments like relax or energize modes. The Digital Key Plus allows your smartphone to replace the key fob completely, with the ability to share digital keys with family members through the BMW app, even restricting vehicle performance for younger drivers. Engine options and driving experience. The 2025 X7 offers 3 distinct powertrain options. The entry-level xDrive 40i features BMW's 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque, enhanced by a 48-volt mild hybrid system that eliminates turbo lag. For the power-hungry, the M60i delivers a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 523 horsepower that launches this 5,700-pound SUV to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds with an exhaust note that transforms from sophisticated growl to thundercrack under hard acceleration. New for 2025 is the PHEV xDrive 50e. Combining the inline-six with a 25.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack and electric motor for 483 combined horsepower and an impressive 40 miles of pure electric range, achieving 45 miles per gallon equivalent in hybrid mode. All engines pair with an 8-speed ZF transmission that's been retuned for 2025. 30% faster shifts in sport mode while being smoother in comfort. The X7 defies physics with its standard adaptive air suspension and electronic dampers, delivering a magic carpet ride in comfort mode, yet firming up impressively in sport. BMW's integral active steering, four-wheel steering, adds to the dynamic capabilities, with rear wheels turning opposite to the fronts at low speeds to shorten the turning radius, then turning in parallel at higher speeds for improved stability. For 2025, BMW has added active anti-roll bars that use electric motors to counteract body lean in corners, resulting in the most car-like driving experience you'll find in any vehicle this size. Pricing and value. The 2025 X7 starts at $82,895 for the xDrive 40i and jumps to $105,900 for the M60i. The new xDrive 50e PHEV slots between them at $95,700. With popular options, expect to pay $90,000 for well-equipped 6-cylinder models and over $120,000 for loaded V8 versions. Key packages include the $4,200 executive package, soft closed doors, heated, cooled cup holders, panoramic roof, the $1,700 driving assistance professional package, semi-autonomous features, and the $3,400 premium package. Massaging seats, head-up display, crystal controls. Compared to rivals, the X7 positions above the Audi Q7, $73,000, and slightly higher than the Mercedes GLS, $81,000. American competitors like the Escalade and Navigator offer more interior space but can't match the X7's driving dynamics or technology. Ongoing costs include premium fuel, $3,100 annually for 6-cylinder models, $3,600 for V8. Though the PHEV can potentially cut that in half if plugged in regularly. BMW includes a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty, complimentary maintenance for 3 years, 36,000 miles, and 4 years of roadside assistance. Expect about 45% value retention after 3 years. Slightly better than the Mercedes GLS, but worse than the Lexus LX. The sweet spot in the lineup is the new xDrive 50e. Its efficiency and performance balance make it the rational choice, though the emotional appeal of the M60i's V8 is undeniable. Who is this for? The X7 targets affluent buyers who need 3-row functionality without sacrificing performance or status. It's ideal for tech-forward executives with families who demand both luxury and driving engagement. What separates X7 owners from other luxury SUV buyers is their unwillingness to compromise on driving dynamics. While a Mercedes GLS prioritizes comfort and an Escalade emphasizes presence, the X7 delivers an engaging driving experience alongside its practical capabilities. If you rarely need the third row or aren't interested in sporty handling characteristics, you might find better value elsewhere. But for those who want it all, space, technology, performance, and prestige, the X7 makes a compelling case despite its premium price. The 2025 X7 is BMW's most impressive SUV yet, combining true luxury with surprising performance. V8 or hybrid? Which would you choose? Drop your thoughts below. Hit subscribe for next week's X7 versus Mercedes GLS showdown. Thanks for watching.